I'm going to use 2 fish fillets. I'll season it with salt, black pepper. Turn and season the other side, then set aside. This recipe is very delicious and easy to prepare. Make it at home, I'm sure you won't regret it. Put 50 grams of wheat flour in a bowl. Add paprika to taste. Also add salt and black pepper. A teaspoon of baking powder. 70 milliliters of water. Add half a tablespoon of oil. And mix once more. Coat the fish fillets in flour for breading. Spread the flour on both sides. Tell me which city or country you're watching from, so I can get back to you and send you a big hug. After breading the fish fillet in flour, cut it into pieces. Heat oil in a frying pan. Dip the pieces of fish in the cream we've prepared and fry. Fry on both sides until golden brown or to your liking. After frying, place them on a plate with a paper towel to remove the excess oil. And our recipe is ready. The fish was very delicious. Make it at home, I'm sure you'll love it. It's so delicious. I make it for dinner 3 times a week. Super easy fish recipe. See you next time.